Hi, Johnny. Peekaboo. Did you eat any Swiss roll? Have you?
I did eat lots of Swiss roll, Mummy.
Look at the two of them. Did you like that? Did you like that? Was it good? Was it? Look, he's plastered. He is plastered. Johnny, was it nice? Was it good? Johnny, was it good? Is it good? Johnny, where's your bun? Did you eat a bun? Did you? Have you had a bun? Where's Johnny's bun? Where's Johnny's bun? Johnny.
I think it's more cute than a bun.
Johnny. Johnny. Hi. Where's your bun? Where's your bun? Where's your bun? Is it sticky? It's sticky? And nice? Oh, are you gonna put some down there for later? Is it keep it for tonight? I might.
Turn it away.
Say bye. Johnny, say bye. Say bye. Johnny. Say bye bye. Here's your feet.
Press it again.
Where's your wee feet? Feet.
I'll press it again.
Feet. 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 Bye. Bye, darling. See you later. Bye.